Depression is not a joke. May you see someone smiling, but inside they are dying. Knowledge will give you the power, but character will give you respect. Trust. Trust and life are same ones. You lost it, you will never get it back. Never cry for the person who hurts you. Just smile and say, thank you for you giving me a chance to find someone better than you. One of the best feelings in the world is knowing that someone is happy because of you. Dream. Dream is nothing you see in the sleep, but is that thing that doesn't let you sleep. Adjustment is not important in life, but understanding is most important in a life. Every new day is another chance to change your life. A true relationship is when someone accepts your past, support your present, and encourages your future. When nails grow long, we cut nails, not fingers. Similarly, misunderstanding grow up, cut your ego, not your relationship. Working for success will make you a master, but working for a satisfaction make you legend. The problem with nice people is they will not tell you when they are hurt. Two things define you. Number one, your patience when you have nothing. Number two, your attitude when you have everything. Never waste your feelings on people who don't value them.